Well, good Monday morning, everybody. Today we are going to practice, they call them real world problems, but you guys know them as story problems. So let's see, they're all linear, so they're all going to be in this format. Sorry, I'm trying to hold my camera and do this at the same time. It's hard. Y equals mx plus b. Okay, they're all going to be in that format. You just have to find something from the story problem to replace every single one of these things. So this one right here, as you all know, is the slope. But in the story problems, they're not going to say the word slope. They're going to say something's changing, like miles per hour or dollars per donuts or something. Something is changing. So instead of looking for the word slope, you're going to see what's changing. I'm going to put rate of change. And we'll do one of these just to practice. So whatever's changing, the rate that is changing is the slope. Now this one right here, as you know, is the y-intercept. But on a story problem, they're not going to use the word y-intercept. It's more like the beginning amount or your initial amount. I'm going to put beginning. I'll put beginning number because I don't know what kind of number it's going to be. Beginning number. That's what you're looking for those two. Now for the y and the x. The y is going to be whatever in the story problem they're talking about, whatever total they want. So if they say total chairs and they want a C, that's what you're going to put there. The C will go there because that'll be the chairs. This X right here is whatever is changing. If people are changing and they want to use a P, that's what you'll put there. Okay, so let's just look at this example I have right here. Deshaun is a software salesman. He has a base salary of $1,800. Okay, that $1,800 base salary, that's beginning amount. So I know that's going to go with that one, the beginning amount. And he makes an additional $90 for every copy of History is Fun that he sells. So this is what's changing. Every time he sells a book, he gets $90 more. So that's the part that changes. So that's the part that's going to go there in the rate of change. Okay, let P represent the total. So there we go. P is the total in dollars, and let N right here represent the number of copies of books that he sells. History is Fun. Write an equation relating P to N, then use the equation to find his total pay he sells for 22 copies of History is Fun. Okay, here we go. We're using this format. So the first one, instead of a Y, what was our total they told us to use? Let P represent his total. So we're going to do P equals. Then right here for slope, rate of change, what amount changed, that was the $90. That's going to go right there, $90. Then X says what is changing. Well, it's the number of books that he sells. And they told us to use an N, and N represents the number of copies that he sells. So 90 N. And then we're going to do plus B, which was our y-intercept, which we decided was he started with $1,800. So plus $1,800. Okay, so that'll be your first blank on this Alex assignment. The second thing it says is how much money does he have if he sells 22 copies? So now you're just going to solve this equation. You're going to go P equals $90 times, this time he's, 22 copies, sorry. Selling 22 copies plus the 1,800 that he already gets. So you're going to stick that in your calculator and you're going to come up with a great answer. Okay, that's an example how to do this. There's going to be 4 of these, unlimited tries, due on Wednesday at 3 o'clock. Have a great day, guys.